तो नाउ मल्टी डे ट्रेडिंग, राइट। आपको ऑप्शन से डर लगता है, इंट्राडे करने के लिए समय नहीं है, नो प्रॉब्लम। आप मल्टी डे ट्रेडिंग भी कर सकते हैं। यानी मल्टी डे ट्रेडिंग यानी ये ट्रेड चलेगा आपका 5 दिन के लिए। ओके, दिस पेज, एवरी पेज इज सिमिलर, ऑलराइट, एवरी पेज इज सिमिलर, बट the elements, certain elements are different, which I am explaining to you. So again, this trades are generated, if any, between 3 to 3:30 p.m. Okay, between 3 to 3:30 p.m. the trades, if any, are generated. Now based on that, I said 5 days it will be open for 5 days, and after 5 days, if trade target is not achieved, then the trade will be exited or closed. So again, everything else is the same. You will have a how to use video where you can see it. There are also PDFs which will describe how the page is structured, how the page is designed, and you can use that to get some idea. If you still need clarity, reach out to our support. We will be able to help you to take care of your trading. All right. So don't worry. We are there to assist you. But then जैसे कि मैं कहता हूँ कि हॉर्स को पानी के पास लेके जा सकते हैं, बट देन आई कांट फोर्स द हॉर्स टू ड्रिंक द वाटर, राइट। तो आपके पास बहुत सारे अम्यूनिशंस है। अभी आपको चूज करना है कि आर यू गोइंग टू शूट विद अ पिस्टल और आर यू गोइंग टू यूज एन AK-47। सो न्यू ट्रेडर इज द AK-47, बट देन यू गॉट टू डिसाइड। so we are showing you how this AK-47 is designed, how you can use it, and how you can trade with it. There is no automatic trade closure right now. You have to trade. Okay, please hear my words carefully. There is no automatic trade closure right now. We are working on a lot of things. You cannot trade. You can trade through Neo into the broker account. This is the broker account. You can trade through Neo into the broker account. Okay, but there is no automated trading yet. We are working on some things, and as things unfold, we will be happy to reveal it to you. All right. So that is something which is on the development, and only when it goes live, we will be happy to present it to you. Okay. So you can see here again, open trades talks about trades that are open, not met the targets, all the targets, or not met the stop loss. So that trade will be visible here. Then in the multi-day trade, what we have is the higher degree of curation. Okay. Higher degree यानी extreme level of curation. So high level of filtration is there. So there is a level 1 filter, there is a level 2 filter. So super curated is the highest level of curation. So the level 2 filter trades are appearing on the multi-day page. So as you can see here, these filters help you to remove certain options so that you can reduce the display. तो अगर 10 दिखता है तो आप कोई ऑप्शंस मिटा देंगे, तो देन द 10 stocks, 10 trades shown will reduce to 3 stocks. This is something which I will demonstrate to you in the live market tomorrow. You can see here that यहाँ पे auto refresh है which keeps on checking, and then you got your broker integration that will help you to place the trade faster. Now again, trading view charts are available for you. You can use the trading view charts, and quickly, if you want a last minute check, you can do that and ensure that you are able to get a idea. All right. Now again, you can add some stocks to the watch list, and then you can take the trade from here. And the add to my trade is the special section for you where you can find out, because it is 5 days. You want to know where is this particular stock. Okay, where is this particular stock? How is it trading? What is happening to you? Don't have to go to the multi-day page and check. You can just add it to the add to my trades, and you can check it out. All right. Multi-day short you will have to use for in the FNO only. You cannot do it in the cash. You cannot short in the cash market. If it is a short and it is appearing in a multi-day, it is only in the FNO segment. Clear? Awesome. So all of you are clear so far. All right. So any if you want to take options based on the multi-day trade, so this is a very common question which comes across. So taking options based on the multi-day, it is entirely your decision. It is entirely your decision. We are recommending this based on the uh, prices. Okay, we are recommending this based on the FNO segment. Now, based on one lot, your choice whether how you want to do this. If you want to do this through FNO, through options, we leave it up to you. As you can see here, the basic things are the same. You have got an entry stop loss target, but then you can see here the curated trades. The level 1 curation comes in light blue, and the level 2 curation, the highest level, comes in dark blue. Clear, everyone? Highest level in dark blue. Got it? So you can see that, suppose like you asked few minutes ago, short means you have to do this in future. You cannot do it in cash. Whatever is the SL, you got to maintain the SL. You got to maintain the SL, and then you got to trail the levels. Okay, so you can see here, this is a trade in progress. So, like I said, we are giving you the guidelines. Now you have to decide how much of money you want to make from the market. Got it? You have to decide how much of money you want to make from the market. Got it? That's the whole idea here. So as you can see here, that this is a highly curated page. It comes every day at 3 4. So 3 o'clock you get BTST, 3 4 you get the multi-day trades. And these trades have a time span of 5 days. Right? Clear, everyone? And you can see that many of the trades, when the trend goes against us, we cannot do anything. If there is a big catastrophic event, we cannot do anything. Otherwise, this page enjoys an accuracy ratio of 75 to 80%. Isn't that superb? How many of you feel that is superb? Can you type SUP on the chat? You can see here, majority of them have met targets. They have made more than few thousand rupees every day. एवरी डे तो नहीं होगा, इट विल बी ओवर कपल ऑफ डेज. अगर आप काम कर रहे हैं और आपको चाहिए कि आप कोई ट्रेड ले ले और इसको चलाए, डोंट वरी, एट एनी टाइम जस्ट कीप टू ट्रेड्स ओपन. ओके, जस्ट कीप टू ट्रेड्स ओपन. गॉट इट? जस्ट कीप टू ट्रेड्स ओपन एट एनी पॉइंट इन टाइम. दो ट्रेड का जो भी नतीजा हुआ, profit, loss, if some other trade has come which you feel is a better trade, exit one, enter the other. So what will happen is that you are having only two trades at a time. Every day you don't get many trades. Got it? So on the day when you want to take a trade, check out if any stock is coming based on the sector that is moving. You can filter it out, and then you can take the particular stock. I will suggest a couple of more ways in tomorrow's session. And today I am explaining to you the pages so that you get the perspective, so that I will be able to take you through the paces, show the pages in the live market. As you can see here, this entire set of trades since June, we have around 50 trades that have generated a out of 50 trades, SL was hit in 5 trades. Can you see that? Multi-day trades has got a very strong hit ratio, and you just have to keep participating, keep booking. दोबारा trade आएगा तो दोबारा करना है. So that way you will be able to, you can see here so many dark blues. Level 2 trades, level 2 trades. So you can see that, for example, India Cement came once, पैसा बनाया, फिर अगर अच्छा लगा तो दोबारा इंडिया सीमेंट आ गया. So what does this mean? It means that if there is a movement, if there is a trend, neo trader will tell you. But many times, as a individual, we will think कि अरे दोबारा इतना लेवल पे एंटर करना है कि नहीं? हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू अग्री? सपोज इट रन्स अवे, वी फील इतना लेवल पर एंटर करना है कि नहीं? अभी जाने दो, अभी रिस्क है। करेक्ट। रिस्क है तो इसके एवरीवन सेज लिप सर्विस है, बट एक्चुअली रिस्क है तो इसके हम लोग करते नहीं है। तो रिस्क इज गोइंग टू बी देयर एट एनी टाइम, बट यू नॉट टेकिंग अ ट्रेड इज ऑल्सो अ रिस्क। 5 lakh capital is just enough, but then it is a decent one to start with. Okay, it is a decent capital to start with, so you can allocate 1 lakh worth of shares. That's the whole idea here. How to be consistent. Why? Because I want you to realize that if you are going to trade multi-day, it is very, very important that you are able टू हैव सम कैपिटल। वरना क्या कि बहुत बार आपका पैसा क्यों जाता है? क्योंकि आपको लगता है कि ये पैसा जाएगा तो मेरा जो भी कैपिटल है उड़ जाएगा। ऐसे सोचते सोचते हम लोग रॉन्ग डिसीजन लेते हैं, राइट? एंड वी एंड अप सफरिंग। गॉट इट? ऑलराइट, सो यू कैन सी हियर अगेन, April to June, decent appreciation. So here we are taken a base of around 30 lakhs, which we feel is a good capital needed if you want to trade all the stocks. Otherwise, keep two stocks open at any point in time. Okay, be it intraday, be it option, those stock rakhiye at any point in time. And whatever we are calculating is based on one lot. All right, we are calculating everything based on one lot. You can see the last 3 months, the multi-day trade has worked remarkably well. You can see some strong moves in L, 2 lakh profits. Can you see this? Isn't it astounding? Cummins, 1 lakh. ABB, 89,000. ABB twice. You can see here ABB has come twice. तो what am I saying? इंडिया सीमेंट भी आया था 2 बार, एबीबी आया था 2 बार। तो उसका मतलब है कि अगर मूवमेंट हो रहा है और नियो ट्रेडर को दिख रहा है तो आपके सामने लाकर रख देगा। अभी ना हो यहाँ पर वही बात आती है, फेथ एंड कंसिस्टेंसी। आपको विश्वास करना है, आपको। दिस इज बेस्ड ऑन फ्यूचर्स। We are doing it based on futures because we have selected the Nifty FNO basket. If it is a cash, we will do it based on 1 lakh trade.